Get paid to write articles or post articles. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 websites or 5 websites where you can post articles for free and make money. And more importantly, I'm going to show you a website that can write you article for free. So basically, you're going to do nothing. You're going to come up with a topic idea or some of the sites you need to join, and they will give what kind of topic that they want article on, like this one: connect, get hired, build links, and get paid. Basically, some website ask hire you to write an article, some website where you can go there and post an articles. Now there's an AI where you can join for free. Now you don't have to pay anything. You can write an article up to 5,000 words for free. After that, it's a small charge, but this AI write your article for free and you can make money every single day for free, guys. So if you are interested in making money online using AI writing tools and get paid to post articles, this video is good for you guys. Watch the video until the end. I'm going to reveal those website and AI at the tutorial and how you can do that and how you can make money online. All you have to do is like this video and click the subscribe button, guys. The first website where you can get paid to post article is called linkable.com. Link-able.com. Where you have to join this website. They will hire you to write articles and you get paid for that. This is one website. Second website is called cracked.com. Basically, they write articles on entertainment that you can see from here, like movies, sports, history, science, weird fact, celebrities, like a YouTube, Watch Mojo, whatculture.com type of channels. So you can see, you can join and you can create articles on any topic: gaming, science, technology, politics, and you can post it on here and you can get paid on that. There's a detailed video for each of the website will come soon, but here I'll keep it simple, guys. Number third is whatculture.com. Is a YouTube channels based on UK. Basically, it's similar to Watch Mojo. So you can see here, you can post on articles and you get paid through PayPal, and you can make easy money from their website, guys. And they have millions of viewers from YouTube and their website. So whenever your articles is converted into videos, it will generate more traffic. The more traffic that you earning for your articles, the more money you get, guys. And another website is called sidepoint.com. Here you can write for them and you can get paid for that. You can write in any topic that you want. The fifth one is similar to the whatculture.com. It's called Listverse, and this website is not hiring people from like India or African countries or Asian countries. Basically, they hire the people from UK, USA, Canada, New Zealand. If you are viewers coming from those countries, you can use this website and you can get paid through PayPal easily, guys. You can easily make $100 per articles whenever your article getting more and more views, and you get paid for that, guys. Even though your article is getting 100,000 views 2-3 months later, UK is still gonna get paid for that, guys. Now, I showed you the website where you can get paid to post an articles, but I'm going to show you a website going to write your articles for free, guys. Here that you can see, you're going to select what kind of language you want. So I don't want to confuse with the other language. I'm going to select English, US version, and you're going to select a tone of your articles. You can select casual, convincing, critical, earnest, enthusiastic, funny, humble, something like that. So I'm gonna give here, I'm gonna select inspirational. Now here you can do different things. It's similar to Java's AI or Jasper AI. Now you can write blog post articles, and you can see a brand name, business pitch, idea, call to action, copywriting, email, Facebook, and Twitter, link, ad generator, Google ad generator. And if you come down to the bottom, then you can generate YouTube video description, channel description, and YouTube video idea. But we're going to select this one called plug idea and outline. After you select the type of thing that you want to write, in the primary keywords, you're going to put the title of your articles. Here I'm going to put like how to make money online. This is the title of my articles. The variants, they only allow 3, so I'm going to select 1 variant or two variants, and creativity levels optimal, non, low, medium, high, and maximum. This basically mean the AI will contribute. If you select high mean, AI will contribute lots. Stable AI write the articles, title, and everything. But if you select like a low or optimum, you need to contribute. So it became more authentic when you and AI both write together. But here I'm going to select high and click this one called write for me. As you can see, this is the title of first variant, how I managed to make $4,000 by selling my product on Instagram. Or here you can see a complete how to make money online. So this second variant is much more similar to my title than the first variant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the first variant, I'm going to delete it. Now here, I'm going to delete these ones as well. Here you can see a complete guide to make money online. This is the introduction. What is earning, income, and revenue? What are the two types of online business? How to start online business? Alternative way to make money online in 2019, and conclusion, a final total, how to make money the old-fashioned way. Something like that, right? So you can put your own subheadings if you want. Otherwise, don't worry. Now, each of these title or subheadings has own keywords. Now, you're going to say, this is the title, right? You can highlight the title and you're going to hear, you can select these ones. Say, command, send a custom text generation tickets to AI. Don't worry about that. Rephrase mean it will change the title to different formats, or you can improve that title, or you can select this called paragraph. If we select a paragraph, what happens is that your title, there's an introduction paragraph will be built here. Then you can see this article will provide you with a complete how to make money online. Basically, you have a title, then it's a text for that. Now you're going to do the same thing with the introduction. This is how you're going to generate an article for you completely free. All you have to do is select the part and you're going to select paragraph. Select it and you're going to select paragraph. You're going to do that. Afterward, what you're going to do, you're going to copy this entire articles and you're going to put it to the website like this one. There is other website, hundreds of websites there. You can post these articles to make money online. For example, once your article is built, you can put your own affiliate link. You can post these articles on Facebook page. You can create an entire page. You can post this article on that. You can post it on LinkedIn. You can post it on Medium. You can create your own YouTube video with these articles. All you have to do is when you have a content, you can put it on multiple different places and you can generate traffic for it. Remember this, there's two different ways to make money online. You can solely create a content for other websites, create a content, put it there, they will pay you, or you can create a content for yourself. Create a content, then what you do, put your affiliate link and promote a product or service and you get paid for that. There's a multiple way that you can make money online. Now I'm going to show you the pricing of the tools. Don't worry, in the initial stage, there's a 5,000 word character per month for free. So when you create a free account with it, you can have a 5,000 character every single month for free. With that, you can generate 1 to 3 articles depend on your niche, guys. Again, why I say you to create a free plan is you have an idea about this tool, so you don't have to spend your own money and thinking about that you lost a money. So don't worry, create a free account with it, play around the tools, and make sure you like it and you think that this tool is useful for you. So also you need to make sure that you can use this tool to make money in multiple different ways. Not only making blog posts, you can use it for your YouTube, you can use it for Facebook, Google, Instagram, to add copies, lots of things that you can use this website to make contents. So if it then useful, then you can upgrade it. This one is called generate up to 50,000 characters per month, and this is only $9 per month, guys. Okay, $9 per month. If you upgrade it for 2 years or 1 year, and you get 2 months off. And again, if you use this website frequently and you generate the content every single time, then you're gonna go with unlimited plan, which is $29 per month. Again, guys, you can use to generate unlimited contents from this website. This is the best alternative for Jasper or Yadas AI. The reason is The Davis AI is the minimum amount is $49 something, and this is only $29 something. Basically, these two tools are very much similar, but again, it's depend on you guys. Again, guys, I show you a website where you can make money by posting articles, and I show you a website where you can use to generate content using AI. If you think this video is very useful to you guys, show your support by liking these videos and leave a comment. I like these videos, or anything that you want me to make videos in the future, and subscribe to my channels. And with that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.